So good evening everyone, how are we doing? Trust our day is going well. So quickly I want to share with us these updates on Learn and Earn Solar. So this is a token that is just launching on the Coinmarketcap Learn and Earn section campaign. So basically these are ways to get free cryptocurrency in the crypto space. So you learn, after you learn, you'll be asked to do some quiz and you earn for participating in that section or in that campaign. So currently this campaign is on and it will be ending in the next 7 days. So you can see the countdown. So it's just one lesson. So you want to learn about this particular token or project. Then after that you would be asked to take some quiz. Then from the quiz you'll be asked to submit some information that your reward will be distributed to. So you need two things. First, you need a Coinmarketcap account. So you go to coinmarketcap.com to register an account. And secondly, you need a Binance account. So I'll be sharing my Binance account link shortly. And I'll tell you what you need from that Binance account. So without further ado, let's go into business. So you want to click on this solar. What is solar? So when you click on it, there's a video for you to go through. And there's also a write-up for you to learn from. So after you must have gone through the whole write-up and watch the video, you could play the video and you watch what it has to say. So now the next thing you want to do is take quiz. So you click on take quiz. Now when you click on take quiz, to take you to another section. Yeah. So this is the section you come, click on starts and you do all of these processes. So I've done that already, so not to make this video long, I've done that already. All right, so you have that here. So you want to verify they are not a robot. You want to go to next. So you agree to the terms and condition. Then click on yes. You quickly carefully read the favorite ask question FQA. Then you want to put in your email address. Now the email address should be associated with Coinmarketcap address accounts. So whatever email address you're going to open your Coinmarketcap should be the same address you put into this box. Then the next thing you want to put your Binance user ID. So this is why you need to create a Binance account, because the coin will be sent to your Binance account. So you want to go and open Binance. So when you create a Binance account, after registering, you can use your BVN to register a Binance account. You just have a basic registration verification, and you can also use your NIN or your voter's card, your international passport. So you want to come to this section. You want to click on this ID. There's this my name is below it. I have my user ID. So you want to copy your user ID, then come back to this box and you paste the user ID there. All right, so you click on next. So I've answered the question already, so you can just take a screenshot of this or watch the video again and take note of the answers. So you answer the questions correctly. You answer the questions correctly. Then the next thing for you to do is to add to your public watch list. Watch list is just a form of you adding a token to your radar, the coins you are monitoring. So on Coinmarketcap, you have an option for watch listing. So you want to follow this link, then it takes you to your account to add to watch lists. Then you would I've added this coin currently to my watch list. So these are the coins I'm watching currently. So XSP is already on my watch list, but if you want to add it to your watch list, you come to this search bar and you search for the token XSP. So when you see it from the search, you click on this star icon here. So when you click on it, it should be added to your watch list. So after adding that to your watch list, you want to copy the address here. Copy the address, then come back to this tab and you paste the address here. So once you paste the address in this box, you are good to go. So all you have to do now is submit. Then you verify that you're not a robot. Then you submit form. And that's it, you're done. Alright, I hope you get the token. Happy learning and earning. Peace out.